You will need to download the OBS template we have provided. If you haven't already done so, watch our tutorial on downloading and installing the template for instructions. This video will demonstrate various ways of customizing the OBS template. To change the background or banner colors, double-click on the name of the source in the Sources panel. Click Select Color and choose a new color from the palette provided. You can also add your new color to the custom colors for easy access in the future. To add extra color sources, click the plus sign in the Sources panel and select Color Sources in the menu that pops up. To customize the text, double-click on the name of the text in the Sources panel. Change the text by adding your own in the text box. Change the font, style, size, and add effects such as strike-through by clicking on Select Font. Click OK to save the changes. To create a new text source, click the plus sign in the Sources panel and select Text in the menu that pops up. Click on the source and use the red squares on borders to resize your source. To reposition a source, click on the source and drag it around with your mouse. If you need to crop a source, click on the source, hold down the Option key on Mac or the Alt key on PC, and drag your mouse on the red squares. Right-click on the scene you want to duplicate. Select Duplicate from the menu that pops up. Give the duplicate scene a new, unique name and click OK. You can now make changes to the duplicated scene without it affecting the original scene. Remember to export your changes as a new scene collection once you're done with your revisions.